Hello students, welcome to Deha Prakashan Academy Maharashtra and I am Sumedha. Today we are learning for subject English and our topic name is phases. Okay, now see, let's start our lecture. What is our topic name? That is phases. Okay, now see, what are the phases? See over here, we will take what its mean first. Okay, now see, that are ground phrases, that is for swimming in the ocean as fun. Okay, then effective phases, participle, adverb which are included, and the types of phases are we are looking. Okay, now infinitive phases are what? To win the match took a great effort. Principal phrases are singing loudly, she cheered her team on. Cheered her team on. Okay. Now, another includes adverb, noun and adjective clauses. Dependent clause then perform different roles. Over here we are talking about the adjective clauses only, which are adverb, noun and adjective clauses. Rather is part only for a dependent clause, not a independent clause, only dependent clause. Okay, these are often tested in worksheet like type of phases. What are the type of phases? That is a ground, infinitive and participle. Okay, and this phase or a clause. Okay, we will let us know which are the phases and which are the clause. Clause is something different, phase is something different. Okay, now see type of phases. Now nouns. First is what? Noun phase. Acts like a noun. Structure is what? Noun plus modifiers. What are that? Noun plus modifiers. For example, is what? The beautiful Taj Mahal. Beautiful Taj Mahal. Okay. Now you got what is my point? Okay, see over here. Now, what is our point? We will talk about a Taj Mahal over here. See, okay, and not only for Taj Mahal, not only for Taj Mahal we are talking, we are also talking about the place which is beautiful. Okay, which place is beautiful over here. So what we will do? What we will do, students? Here is an example that shown that what is showing the Taj Mahal is beautiful. Okay, but sentence what we take? The Taj Mahal beautiful, the beautiful Taj Mahal. Understand? Now be verb, that is like a verb itself. Only verb and auxiliary and helping verb. Now for example, is reading book, have been playing cricket. Now see, this is not a simple sentences. The meaning is same, the words are same, but the alignment of sentence is different. So see, I reading a book. Now next is what? have been playing cricket. Okay. Now next, this is a chart. You can take a screenshot of this for your understanding. So you can see. Everyone can see this chart? Okay, little bit this side. Okay, now comfortable? Okay. Now see, first you take a screenshot, then I come in the picture. You just take a screenshot of this full chart. Then, okay. Now see, over here, what we are talking for? We are talking for a type, example of phrase and explanation of it. First, what we will take? First, we will take a type of that, then example of phrases and the explanation of that particular type. Okay. Now see, this first type is what? Ground phrase. G-E-R-U-N-D, not G-O-R-U-N-D. Okay. Spelling is what? See over here. What is the spelling of this? That is G-E-R-U-N-D. That is P-H-R-A-S-E, not P-H-A-R-A-S-E. Spelling should be always right. Okay. Pronouns is also right. See, example of phrases. Now see, jogging through the park brightens my mood. What what is the sentence? Jogging through the park brighten my mood. And see over here, we will take the explanation of it. Okay. Now see how it is starts with noun verb form. Function as a noun. Okay. That is what? That is which type? That is a ground phrase type. Which type? Number 1 over here. Look at this type. Okay. Now we will talk about number 2. This is number 1. This is number 2. Now see, infinitive phrases. That are what? See, explanation of before we will take the example. See, what is the example? To finish the homework before, oh God, before dinner is my goal. What is the goal? To finish the homework before dinner is my goal. Okay. Now, how the sentence starts? Begins with to. See over here. I have highlighted the to. The verb, the act known as modifier. What we have taken the modifier? This is the modifier. Got it? Now, see, this is so easy. You just have to pay attention over here. Okay. Now see, this one is a third type. Participle phrase. Phrase. Excluded from study, he fell asleep at once. Excluded from studying, he fell asleep at once. See over here, what is the explanation? Use verb from ending, ing or ed to modify a noun. See over here. See, I'll show what is our rule. Ending in ing or ed. Ing over here, ed is here. Got it? How to make the sentence? Got this point? Now, This is for fourth. Adjective, clothes. Okay. Now see what is the sentence. The student who mastered the formula earned prize. Now see. Clause modifying student being with who, with what, formula earned prize. Modified with who, with price. Got it? Now, number 5. This is a number 5. Then add verb CLAUSE. Now CLAUSE. Now see. Since the sun has set, he decided to head home. Since the sun had set, he decided to head home. Over here. That's when reason starts with since. So this word is over here. This is so. Okay. Just a second. See. Since word is here. So the sun had set, we decided to head home. Okay. Now, next is what? Tips to spot and use them. Check the start first. ING or ED, likely a participle phrase. To plus verb is infinitive. Who, which, that is adjective clause. Word like when, because, if, although, adverb clause. Understand its rule. Does it act like a noun, modify a noun, or add info? For example, see over here. Running late. She grabbed breakfast. This is what? Phrase modifies she. Participants worksheet over here. Okay. Now, identify phrase clause type. Rewrite sentence using them. Okay. Now, we will take and next, that is why this matters. Why this matters, students? Working with this complex structures helps you improve sentence variety and synopsis. Next is what? Prepare for your future grammar, high school and competitive exam. Understand and use these respective English. Okay, this is for your understanding. Now, for next step for practice. It is a phrase or clause. Now identify what is the phrase and what is the clauses. Clauses we know, we are teaching about phrases over here. Grounds and phases, that include phases. Infinitive phases. Write your own sentence expecting with each type. Okay, read examples in the book, identify their structure. Okay, now see over here. What we have taken? We have taken the MCQ over here. See now. Everyone can see this? Okay. Now you have to highlight it. Okay. Swimming in the lake is a great way to cool off in summer. What type of phrase is underlined? Now see, infinitive phrase, ground phrase, participle phrase. Which is that option? That is what? Function as a noun, the subject. So, see, function as a noun over here as a subject. So, what will be that? That will be a noun phrase. So, we will highlight this part. Understood? Now, next is what? See, Read the question first. Read in your mind. See, she hoped to finish her homework before dinner. That is what? Ground phase, infinitive phase, participle phase. So which one is that? That is a infinitive. So we will highlight this option over here. Okay. Now next is what? C. Option A, B, C. Now, broken by the straw, the fence needed repair. Option A, ground phase, infinitive phase, participle phase. So, which one is this? Option C. Why? The fence C. See over here, dear students. See over here now. See. Introduce a description modifies fence. What is that? That is using the that is fence. So that's the reason this is part of participle. Now move to the next question. Option A, B, C. Now, which option is right? To explore or ascent runs was their greatest desire. So, what is the option? Infinitive participle ground. So, what is the answer? That is a infinitive. So, this is our answer. Why this is our answer? Because begins with 2. Begins with 2. Okay? This is so easy. No need to worry. This is so simple topic. Okay? Now, you just read the question carefully. Then you can solve it at your own. No need to worry about that. Okay? You just read the sentence carefully and automatically you will understand what is the answer. Now see, next is what? Reading quickly down the hill. Riding quickly down the hill. Maya felt the wind in her hair. So, what is modifying that phase is Maya. So, what will we will take? The option should be C, participle. Maya is a participle over here. So what we will do? We will select option number C over here. C, option C. Okay. So easy, right? Now, next is what? C. You read the question until that. Try to understand what will be the option. Now see, I can't stand waiting in a long lines. That is what? What that shows? I can't stand when showing the grounds uses. So, what will be the answer? That will be a ground phase, infinitive or participle. So, that will be a ground. So, what option is that? That is option number A. So, we select option A over here. Okay, got it? Now next is what? See, to win the championship gave them a huge sense of pride. This is what? This is a using of function and object using an infinitive. So what option will be right? Option number A is ground, second is participle, C infinitive. So which option is right? That is option number C. So what we will do? We will pick this as a answer. Got it? A, B, C. Having completed the puzzle, he celebrated with a smile. That is what? Showing and after finishing puzzle. That is a completed the puzzle, he celebrated with a smile. That is what? Option A, ground. Option B, infinitive. Option C, participle. So what will be the answer? Answer is what? That is participle. So we will highlight this option. A, B and C. So which option is right? Try to identify first. Now read first. What is the question? Eating healthy food helps me staying energetic all day. C. What is that? That is a infinitive phase, another is ground phase and participle phase. So what is correct answer? That is a ground phase. Why? As a subject ground form. Understand? So option number B is the answer. Got it? Now C. Another is what? C. Over here. Read the question first. Read the question. I went to the store to buy a birthday cake. First, ground phase. B, participle. C, infinitive. So what is the option? That is the purpose with two verb. With two and verb. So what is the answer? Answer is infinitive phase. Got it? How to identify the perfect answer? Okay. Now, see. You know how to solve. Okay. Now keep practicing, students. Thank you so much.